Piece of the subframe is broken off. So I want to give the bike a detailed cleaning that it deserves. I'm really excited to start this project and I cannot wait to finish it. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In the last video I changed the coolant on the 2014 R1 build and I showed you guys all of the damages on the 2019. If you haven't seen it, I will put the link in the description below. As well as if you have not yet subscribed, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it and you will be notified when I upload a new video. After all, subscribing is completely free. Also, if you guys have ever wanted to support the channel, you can head over to Patreon. There's a link in the description below. There are many perks to choose from and I want to give a huge thank you to all of my existing Patreons. You guys are awesome. Now without further ado, let's get straight into this week's video. Alright guys, so I actually got some damaged parts that I forgot to mention in the previous video, like these RNG oil cooler and radiator guards that I can probably still use. I also got a broken mirror, half a headlight with the control module, not even sure if this works. And then I also got the cluster, which is damaged, and I also found out how much this thing costs at Yamaha. It's about $2,000 and I think it's really overpriced. So if you guys could find me one, I would really appreciate that. I do need a 2018 to 2019 model cluster because the 2015 to 2017 software is different from the 2018 to 2019. Here is the part number. If you guys could find me one, I would really appreciate that. But for now, I want to start getting my hands dirty and stripping this bike completely, removing all of the damaged parts and fairings. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so it looks like all of the tank brackets are broken off, this huge piece over here and then the two small pieces in front over there and over there. As well as a piece of the subframe is broken off. I'll see if I can have that repaired, otherwise I will have to buy a new subframe. And then a piece of the fuel pump snapped off, and this sucks because now I won't be able to start the bike without it. It actually connects right over there. I'll see if I can fix this piece, probably take a copper tubing, slide it through both sides and then plastic weld the outside. I'm not going to buy a new fuel pump because there are many ways to fix this, but for now I want to finish removing the rest of the parts on the bike, so let's get back into it. Alright guys, so I've removed all of the parts that I wanted to remove for now. Before I do anything else, I want to give the bike a detailed cleaning that it deserves, so let's get straight into it. Alright guys, the bike is clean and I think we covered a lot in this video. I am still waiting for the brackets on the 2014 R1 build, so hopefully that comes in soon because I really want to finish off this bike and focus on the 2019. I'm really excited to start this project and I cannot wait to finish it. But as for right now, that is going to be a wrap of this video guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram at Garreth_Collins. And if you've ever wanted to support the channel, you can head over to Patreon. The link is in the description below. Until next time, remember to stay positive and be visible. Peace out.